In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're organizing a lengthy document or just trying to make navigation a little easier, adding bookmarks is a simple yet invaluable tool. Let's walk through the process together so you can make the most out of your PDFs. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Acrobat Pro. If you haven't already done so, ensure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed and ready to go. Once your document is open, your next step is to locate the Bookmarks panel. This can be done by finding the bookmark icon on the left-hand sidebar, or by clicking on View in the top menu, followed by Tools, and finally selecting Bookmarks from the drop-down list. This will open up the dedicated panel where all your bookmarks will live. With the Bookmarks panel open, the next step is to navigate to the page or section where you'd like to place your bookmark. Browsing through your document, identify the spot that you consider significant or worth marking for easy reference. If you want to go a step further, you can highlight specific text or an image on the page. By selecting text or an image, Acrobat will automatically use it as a label for your bookmark, making it even more intuitive for future reference. Once you're at the desired location in your document, go to the Bookmarks panel menu and choose New Bookmark. This action will create a new entry in your bookmarks list. Now, you'll want to name your bookmark. Typing in a descriptive name will ensure that you can easily identify it later on. This might include project titles, chapter names, or any other relevant information that gives you quick insight into what the bookmark signifies. After naming it, you'll see the bookmark appear on the list in the Bookmarks panel. From here, you have the flexibility to not only rename it if you had a change of heart, but also to organize it by nesting it under other bookmarks, reordering them, or even deleting them if necessary. To rename or manage the bookmarks, simply right-click on the bookmark in the panel and a set of options will appear for customization. Nesting bookmarks can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with subsections, allowing you to create a hierarchy that mirrors the structure of your document. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Reader to enhance your workflow or improve document accessibility. With these steps, navigating through your PDF will be smoother and more efficient, helping you locate important sections with a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy bookmarking!